What's up, trumpet friends? We're going to be going through the song Going Up in Smart Music. This is our recording for the week. Number one, let's take a look at how Smart Music works. So when you click on the note here, it's going to give you two options. Number one, it's going to give you the four dots, tells you what note is being played and what fingering it is. So this is an F. It's on the first space in the treble clef staff, and you play it with the first button. It's laid out just like the trumpet. That's the one closest to the mouthpiece, and this is the one furthest away towards the bell. So when you're looking at the trumpet, first valve. All right. If you click on the waves button, it'll play you how the note sounds. That's really important for us brass players because a lot of times we'll end up playing too low. A lot of times we'll be like... Remember that when you're playing trumpet, you can play a lot of notes with the same fingering. All those notes were with first finger. So you really have to like hear it before you play it. Try that note. Make sure it sounds good. Reach out to me if you can't figure it out after several tries. All right. Once you're done doing that, we're going to make sure that we know how long we're going to hold this note. This is called a whole note, and it lasts for 4 beats. Okay? Whole note for 4 beats. So when you go to play it, it's going to sound like this. Da. The next thing you see is a whole rest. Whole rests and half rests look very similar, so try not to get too confused by this. 4 beats of rest, 4 beats of play. So when you go to play it, it'll be like ba, rest, 2, 3, 4, ba, rest, 2, 3, 4. When you go to play this, you might want to practice a little bit before you start putting it with the track. You want to make sure you have a steady tone. Make sure you keep your air steady. The same way the whole time. If it doesn't sound like that, if it's like or something like that, stop and address it. Make sure it's steady and in the same place the whole time or very close to it. Okay. Once you're done making sure that that can happen for 4 beats at a time, then it's time to play. The accompaniment, usually it's kind of like weird sounding, so turn that down some so it's not in the way. When you go to practice with it, you can have the my part on, but when you go to record, it needs to be off. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, we're going to keep it off. Metronome, keep it where it's at. All right, here we go. Let's try it out. I'm out of funny faces. All right, cool. So it's that easy, guys. If you have any trouble with that and it doesn't make sense, rewatch the video. I should address most things. And if you can't figure it out from there, reach out to me and we can hang out and I can help you with it, okay? Have a great time with it. Let me know how it goes. And I look forward to hearing it in the recordings. Bye for now.